Once you finish gathering the poses and the ZDFs for the hand-eye calibration, we'll then run them through our algorithm to find the best overall transformation that overlaps all the checkerboard images that you got with the pose information we have. The overlapping of these is going to give you your residuals, which will tell you the difference in overlap with rotational and translational elements. And this is really nice, but you still kind of want to know, how well does this actually work? And to provide this information, we have created a touch test that's also available on our GitHub. This touch test allows you to see, using your TCP, if the hand-eye transformation that we provided works in your system. In our example here, you'll see how we use an eye-on-hand camera system to do touch tests using the checkerboard we were looking at earlier. We then move the checkerboard around the scene so it's not in the same position that we did our hand-eye calibration in, because we want to test that our hand-eye calibration is valid in all of our working space at different translational positions as well as different rotational orientations. It's not really helpful usually, right, if your hand-eye transformation isn't valid across the whole scene. If it's only valid in the place you took your hand-eye calibration, then there is a risk that it might not be good for your entire working space.